A very wonderful morning to all who are watching this. I, Lakshashri, the team leader of the project, welcome you all to the presentation video of our project. The name of our project is Schoolbot, and what it does is it assists parents in finding the suitable school for their children.
Python. I have tried to make the user interface character friendly so everyone can use it. For now, I have added some schools of our locality. After the prototype was developed, I have handed over it to Avnish.
Good morning to all of you. I am Anmol Kumar, the data collector of this project. We collected data from the various resources like teachers, surveys, parents, and the current students. For more authenticity, we collected the data from the current student of the schools. Now, my teammate Abhay Chauhan will explain it further. Abhay Chauhan, please.
Thank you, Anmol. I am Abhay Chauhan, collected data for the project along with my fellow teammate Anmol. As he mentioned the sources of data, I would like to elaborate about the information we collected. We collected information about the fee structure, academic achievements, achievement in sports, sports facilities, and the quality of faculties. They are recording co-curricular activities and their field of excellence. Now my teammate Karthik Chauhan will explain you his role in this project.
Thank you, Abhay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Karthik Chauhan. My role in this project to cross-check the data which is given my team member Anmol and Abhay to check the authenticity of the data is correct or not. And after this, I hand over to the Dipender Singh, who is prototype builder of our project.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Avnish, the tester of the project. My role in this project is to test the prototype which is built by Dipender. It asks me several questions like fee, locality, facility, field of excellence, and so many other things. It gives appropriate result. It gives result according to the response given by the users. Now, Laksha will tell about the future scope of this project.
Thank you, Abnish. Now, the future scope in future, this project can be used on a large scale. It can start from assisting parents in finding the suitable school for their child at pre-primary level. To it can even have the students who are doing their graduation and to find a suitable career for them. In short, it can be used as an all-in-one guide which a parent can use in starting and a student can use to build his future. Now, at last, I would like to express my gratitude toward you for taking time from your precious day schedule to watch this video. Thank you. The reason we have taken this issue is that most of the people think that all schools are same, but it is not so. Every school has its own field of excellence, on merits, on demerits, the field in which it has failed. Just to understand what implications it can have on a student's future, we can take the example of R.K. Shishir. He was JEE Advanced 2022 All India Rank 1. He scored this rank just with the help of his school, that is Narayana Techno School. His school assisted him, helped him in achieving his aim. And this aim is that much big that many students are not even able to achieve it after 3 years of coaching or more than that. Let's take another example also. We can take the example of D. Gukesh. He is a young chess prodigy from India who has just become the World Chess Championship challenger, and his school supported him in that. He is playing chess at international level from 5th class, and his school helped him managing his academics and all other things at the same time, which making him that much capable that he is now the World Championship challenger and is representing the nation at international level and has even made the nation proud many times. And if we want to understand what the bad implications it can have, then we just have to look at the newspaper of Kota, Rajasthan and Mukherjee Nagar, Delhi. We will find a lot of cases. Now my teammates will come and explain their role in the project.